Hi, this is Steve from the National Weather Service in Marquette, Michigan, giving the winter hazards outlook for the week beginning on Monday, February 23rd, 2015. A low pressure system moving through Ontario Monday night and into Tuesday will sweep a cold front across the area during the day on Tuesday. Out ahead of this cold front, we'll see snow showers develop tonight on Monday night and continuing into Tuesday morning. Overall, it looks like snowfall amounts will be on the light side, generally in the 1 to 3 inch range, but there'll be a little bit higher amounts over the eastern part of the UP where there'll be some lake enhancement off of Lake Michigan. Behind that cold front, we'll see cold air surging back into the area, and that'll continue through the rest of the work week. So here's a quick look at what the temperatures are expected. Out ahead of that cold front, we'll see temperatures warming probably into the lower 20s for parts of upper Michigan tomorrow morning, but then as that cold front sweeps through, we'll see the temperatures returning back to the cold values that we've seen for much of February. With northwest winds expected behind that cold front, we're expecting some light lake effect snow showers to occur for Tuesday night and continuing into Thursday. Right now, there's still a little bit of uncertainty on where exactly those will occur due to the ice coverage on Lake Superior, but right now it seems like the best chance will be over the eastern part of the UP. Speaking of ice coverage on Lake Superior, here's a look at the latest high-resolution satellite image from February 22nd, 2015. And it shows that even though we have ice over much of Lake Superior, we're still able to get lake effect snow showers to develop. Those areas that are circled in red are indicating areas that there were some either gaps or thin ice on Lake Superior, and that's what helped lead to those lake effect snow showers. Unfortunately, with the gusty southwesterly winds expected on Monday night, and then the gusty northwesterly winds expected on Tuesday into Tuesday evening, those gaps will likely shift around a little bit, and that's what leads to the uncertainty on where the exact position of the lake effect snow showers are going to be for Tuesday night into Thursday. And here's a look at the Lake Superior ice cover for February 23rd for the last 3 years. As you can see, 2015 has the greatest coverage that we've seen for this stage in February, with 94.5% coverage. That's about 10% higher than what we saw last year at this time, and greatly higher than what we saw in 2013. And that greater ice coverage that we've seen this year versus last year is due to the temperatures across much of upper Michigan being colder than what we saw in 2014. In fact, it looks like some locations in upper Michigan will see a top 5 coldest February, with our office likely to see a record coldest February. Finally, here's a look at the temperature outlook for the first week of March. Right now, it looks like we're still on pace to see below normal temperatures through the 8th of March, but there are some hints at temperatures returning to more normal values for the middle part of March. This completes the winter hazard outlook for the week beginning on Monday, February 23rd, 2015. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact us via phone, on our website, or on our social media accounts. Thank you and have a nice day.